Hi, this is Dr. Subraj, Head of the Department of Computer Applications at Rajarajeswari College of Engineering. Our department is designed to build strong foundations in computer technology and applications, while equipping students with advanced technology like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and cyber security. In our department, we expose both academic excellence and practical expose through hands-on training program, real-time project, internship, and industry collaborations. Our dedicated faculty members are committed to mentoring students and guiding them towards successful careers in IT industry. We are proud of our students' achievements in placement, higher education, and innovative projects. Our students have also excelled in sports and cultural events at the university level, bringing recognition and pride to our institution. Through regular workshops, seminars, expert talks, we ensure our students stay updated with the latest technological environment. I warm invite to you join our BCA and MCA department at Rajarajeswari College of Engineering. Thank you.